do you feel? We have an 11-year-old now.
I can't believe it. My little precious, little innocent baby boy is now 11.
29 more minutes until I'm 11.
Oh, okay. Well, it's 9 o'clock now. What time was Leland born? I don't remember. 9:30? Oh, okay. I don't remember. It's been so long. It's been 11 years. So how do you feel, Leland?
Holy shit! It's my birthday!
Leland!
I'm 11!
Don't swear!
It's my birthday.
Where'd you learn that word?
You.
Well, you're too young to be swearing.
I'm literally almost 11.
I don't care. You're still too young.
I'm literally 11 in 28 more minutes, Dad.
You can't swear.
Can I at least just say what?
No.
My birthday?
No.
I'm freaking 11!
Stop swearing.
I'm almost 11.
Oh.
Come on. Today is my birthday.
Did you hear that, Carol?
I did.
Thanks,
Lee.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, do we need to wash his mouth with a ball of soap or something?
No.
He gets it from you.
And you, Mom.
You're the example.
And you. Dad. Mostly Dad.
Leland, you don't say
You just said it.
Oh.
You just said
You just said it!
But you just said it too.
Oh my god. Everybody stop saying
You just said
Stop saying You stop saying Oh, whatever. Everybody just stop swearing! God, Carol, stop it! Well, it's a good thing this is going on Storyfire, not YouTube, I guess. Otherwise, I would have to, I don't know, edit this out or something. God.